मम्मी आज जेवपाक कितें केला?
Yes, beta. What do you want? Anything special?
मम्मी आज चिकन बिर्याणी कर.
Okay. We'll make. पूण ताका न्ही मातसो टायम लागतलो.
बरें तर हांव टीव्ही पळोवपाक वता.
Wait. तुज्यो ऑनलायन क्लासी काबार जाल्यो?
हय मम्मी क्लासीस जाले. हांव टीव्ही पळोवंक येता.
बरें.
मागणे देवा परमेश्वरा तुज्या मुखार हात जोडून हांव मागणें करतां. आयज आमचे पयले प्रायम मिनिस्टर जवाहरलाल नेहरूजी हांचो जल्मदीस आनी तांचो जल्मदीस आमी भुरग्यांचो दीस म्हणून मनयतात. भुरगीं हीं देवा घरचीं फुलां. तेन्ना ह्या आमच्या सगळ्या भुरग्यांचेर तुज्या मोगाची सासाय घाल आनी तांचें जिवीत परमळीत कर. तशेंच नेहरूजींच्या आत्म्यांक शांती दी. आयज कोरोना महामारीचें संकट आयिल्ल्यान सगळीं भुरगीं आपापल्या घरान ऑनलायन अभ्यासाचे धडे घेतात. तांचेर तुजो आशिर्वाद आसूं दी. तशेंच हें संकट पयस करूंक तांकां शाळेंत येवपाचो मार्ग मेकळो करून दी. आयज कितलेशेच भुरगे पालक नासतना अनाथ जाल्ले आसात. तांचेर तुज्या मोगाचें पांगरूण घाल. आमची कितलींशींच भाव भयणां वादळान बेघर जाल्लीं आसात. तांचे वेवसाय बंद जावन ती वायट परिस्थितीन जियेतात. तांचेर तुजी कृपा दृश्टी आसूं दी. तशेंच तांकां सुखान जिवपाक तुजो आदार दी. आयचे भुरगे फाल्यांचे देशाचे नागरीक. तेन्ना तांकां बरी बुद्ध दी, सूख समृद्धी दी. सगळ्यांक सुखान आनंदान खोशयेन दवर आनी सगळ्यांचें बरें कर. ही म्हजी तुज्या सामकार नम्रतायेची प्रार्थना.
मम्मी यो यो बेगीन यो. पळय तर आमच्या टिचरी नाचतात.
What's there today?
खबर ना मम्मी.
You don't know? Today is 14th of November, Chacha Nehru's birthday, which means Children's Day. Your day is today.
Okay, Grandpa.
Una mattina mi sono alzato, oh vela ciao, vela ciao, vela ciao, ciao, ciao. Una mattina mi sono alzato e ho trovato l'invasor. Oh partigiano, portami via, oh vela ciao, vela ciao, vela ciao, ciao, ciao. Oh partigiano, portami via, che mi sento di morire. E se io muoio da partigiano, oh vela ciao, vela ciao, vela ciao, ciao, ciao. E se io muoio da partigiano, tu mi devi seppellir e seppellire lassù in montagna. Oh vela ciao, vela ciao, vela ciao, ciao, ciao. E seppellire lassù in montagna sotto l'ombra di un bel fior.
मम्मी काय तरी नाचली नाही ती. Took us by surprise.
Really? Your teachers are so active. But remember, you also must get up early in the morning, go for jogging, do your yogas, regular exercise. Keep yourself fit and fine to join the school back again.
We are only sitting in AC rooms, watching online classes and playing games. म्हाका न्हू म्हज्या स्कुलाचो खूब उगडास येता. I am missing my activities, my teachers and my friends. Mummy, from tomorrow onwards, I'll get up early. I will do exercise. I'll keep myself fit and fine. I'm eager to go to school.
That's good, my son.
மண்ணு வீசும் வாசனையோ இந்த மக்களோட யோசனையோ மண்ணு வீசும் வாசனையோ இந்த மக்களோட யோசனையோ சின்ன பொண்ணு பாட்டில தான் தெக்கு சீமையோ
हे काजी केरी ने अंगूर काला हो 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 चैत फुलवेची रात आज आली आवरात धड धड काळ जात माझ्या माईना कधी कव कुठं तसं जीव झाला येडा पिसा त्याचा नाही भरवसा तोला राहीना നിന്നെ കാണാൻ എന്നെക്കാളും ചന്തം തോന്നും കുഞ്ഞിപ്പെണ്ണെ എന്നിട്ടെന്തേ നിന്നെ കേൾക്കാൻ ഇന്നുവരെ വന്നില്ലാരും നിന്നെ കാണാൻ എന്നെക്കാളും ചന്തം തോന്നും കുഞ്ഞിപ്പെണ്ണെ എന്നിട്ട് Maşuk çum çum, maşuk nyan.
हाथा जुड़ लूं पेरी पैसा नैना का जल सारो राज जो धानारी चूनर माथे सुखरो सूरज
मम्मी हे पळोवन म्हाका भोंवपाची उमेद आयली ह्या दिवाळेक आमी खंय तरी या हा भोंवपाक 2 वर्सां जालीं नाय आमी खंयच भोंवपाक वचूंक ना ओके नो ग्रँडपा आमी खंय तरी या भोंवपाक हा
Okay, son, no problem. Wherever you want to go, let me know. Let's book the ticket. But remember, COVID is not yet over. If we go out, do you know what precautions we are going to take?
Yes, mummy, I will wear my mask, I will use my sanitizer, and I will wash my hands regularly. I will also keep social distance.
Very good, son. That's right.
5 मिनिट हा मम्मी एक लास्ट प्रोग्राम पळयता
Okay.
No one told you life was gonna be this way. Your job's a joke, you broke. Your love life's the away. It's like you're always stuck in second gear when it hasn't been your day.
आमच्या टिचरीनी बरो आयटम केला.
Yes, really, son, they have really done well. You said just now that you miss your school. But do you know, son, even your teachers miss you a lot. Can you imagine a school without students? And a class with empty benches? Your teachers have done really a wonderful job switching on to online mode in spite of having so many difficulties. Hats off to all the teachers.
Yes, mummy, I'm very proud of my St. Britos. See, our teachers are doing so much for us. In spite of not having offline classes, our teachers are doing so much to make us happy. Thank you to all the teachers and staff members for making our Children's Day most memorable one.
Happy Children's Day to all.
On November 14, we celebrate the birth anniversary of our beloved Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru. The children call him Chacha Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru loved children very much, and children also loved him. Jawaharlal Nehru says children are like buds in the garden. We should nurture them well, take good care of them. They're created in the image of God, and we should give them love and compassion so that they become men and women for others to make this world a better place to live in. He says children are architects of our country. They are the ones who will build up the economy and take our country to the first world. And so we need to treat children very well. The way we bring them up and give them our love and compassion will help them to become good citizens of future. Children, we miss you very much. On the Children's Day, we have so many activities for you. You take singing competition, dance competition, cooking competition, cultural competitions. You're not able to conduct them, and I hope you are safe at home, building up your energies. We want to see you soon come back to school. Last year I gave one shayari. I said, फूल तो बहुत होते हैं लेकिन गुलाब जैसे नहीं, बच्चे तो बहुत होते हैं लेकिन आप जैसे नहीं. This year, where are you? जंगल में छोटे मोटे बंदर, तुम सब मेरे दिल के अंदर. Happy Children's Day to you.